Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive into the enchanting world of gardening. Today, I'm taking you on a magical journey through the beautiful world of petunias. These flowers are not just visually stunning but also incredibly rewarding to grow. These vibrant, versatile flowers have a special place in many gardens around the globe, and today, we're diving into how you can grow them right in your own backyard. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, petunias are a fantastic choice. First things first, let's talk about seeds. The journey of growing petunias begins with selecting the right seeds. Petunias come in a variety of colors and types, and starting from seeds is a fun and rewarding way to grow them. You can choose from grandiflora, multiflora, milliflora, and spreading petunias, each offering unique characteristics. You'll need a seed starting mix, which is lighter and finer than regular potting soil. This mix provides the perfect environment for your seeds to germinate. Fill your seed trays with this mix, and gently press the seeds into the surface. Make sure the seeds are evenly spaced to give each one enough room to grow. Remember, petunia seeds need light to germinate, so don't cover them with soil. This is a crucial step to ensure successful germination. Once your seeds are in place, it's time to water. Proper watering is essential for the seeds to sprout. Use a spray bottle to mist the surface lightly. This method prevents the seeds from being displaced and keeps the soil evenly moist. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Think of it as a gentle spring rain. Consistent moisture is key to healthy seedling development. Now place your trays in a warm, bright spot. A sunny windowsill or under grow lights will do the trick. Petunia seeds thrive in warmth and light. In about 7 to 10 days you'll start to see tiny green sprouts. It's an exciting moment that marks the beginning of your petunia's journey. It's like watching magic happen. Each day brings new growth and the promise of beautiful blooms. Patience is key here. Growing plants from seeds requires time and care. As your seedlings grow, keep them in a bright location and continue to mist them gently. This ensures they get the light and moisture they need to thrive. Once they have a couple of sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them. True leaves are a sign that your seedlings are strong enough to be moved. Transfer your young plants into individual pots filled with a good quality potting mix. This gives each plant the space and nutrients it needs to grow. Be gentle. These little guys are delicate. Handle them with care to avoid damaging their roots. Now let's move to the garden. This is where your petunias will truly flourish. Petunias love sunshine, so choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. The more sun, the better for these sun-loving plants. Prepare the garden bed with well-draining soil and mix in some compost to give your plants a nutrient boost. Good soil preparation is essential for healthy growth. Plant your petunias about 12 inches apart, giving them plenty of room to grow and spread their colorful blooms. Proper spacing helps prevent overcrowding and promotes air circulation. Water your petunias regularly, but remember, they don't like soggy soil. Overwatering can lead to root rot. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply once a week or more often during hot, dry weather. Deep watering encourages strong root development. And don't forget to deadhead. Removing spent blooms encourages the plants to produce even more flowers, keeping your garden looking vibrant all season long. Growing petunias is a journey filled with color, beauty, and a touch of magic. Each bloom is a testament to your care and dedication. So get out there, plant some seeds, and watch your garden transform into a stunning sea of blooms. The joy of seeing your garden come to life is truly unmatched. Thanks for joining me on this magical journey of growing petunias. Happy gardening. Remember, every garden starts with a single seed, and with a little love and care, it can become a beautiful oasis. Until next time, keep planting, keep growing, and keep enjoying the wonders of your garden. Happy gardening.